Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, so here we're going to be calculating the checked digits and for an 11-digit sequence. We do that by checking the last 11th element of the sequence against the sum of the remaining elements of the sequence, mod 9. Okay, and in this instance, we have one value that's smudged, and we need to figure it out. So let's just go to a new page. So for part A, our sequence is 4, 9, 3, 2, 1, 2. Q is our smudged letter. 0, 6, 8, and 8. Okay, so to calculate the check digit, right, we want to sum all these up together. So this ends up being Q plus 35. And we want to take the whole thing, mod 9. All right, well, this is equivalent to Q plus 35 mod 9 mod 9. Okay, so it's going to give us Q plus 8 mod 9. And so since our check digit is an 8, we want this also to equal 8. Okay. So we subtract 8 from both sides of the equation, which means that we get Q mod 9 must be equal to 0, right? Because we subtracted 8 from this side and this side. And in order for that to happen, Q could be equal to 0 or 9. Both of those would be correct. So going on to part B, we have a new set of digits. So 8, 5, 0. Q 9, 1, 0. 3, 8, 5, and 8. Okay, so to find the check digit, we take the sum of the first 10 digits, which is going to be equal to 39 plus Q. And then we want to take that whole thing, mod 9. Okay, well, this is equivalent to 39 mod 9 plus Q mod 9. Okay, so that is equal to Q plus 3 mod 9. And we want this whole expression then to be equal to 8. Okay, so we're going to subtract 8 from both sides. I apologize, we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. Subtracting 8 wouldn't make much sense, and so we get that Q mod 9 is equal to 5. Right, and since Q has to be between 0 and 9, it's a single digit, it must be equal to 5. So we get that Q is equal to 5. All right, halfway through, we have a new smudged code to investigate, which is 2Q9 4100773 and 4. So same as the other ones, we sum the first 10 digits to get Q plus 33 mod 9. okay, which is equal to Q plus 33 mod 9, and that whole thing mod 9. So then this is equal to Q plus 6 mod 9. We know that our check digit is 4, so this must be equal to 4. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. Okay, so we'll get Q mod 9 is equal to negative 2, but that's really equal to 7 in mod 9 language. So we get that Q is equal to 7. And finally, our last one here is 66687Q 03201. Okay, so we'll sum the first 10 elements here to get Q plus 38. And we want to take that whole thing, mod 9. Okay, but this is equivalent to Q plus 38 mod 9 mod 9, okay, which is equal to Q plus 2 mod 9, and then we take a look at our check digit, it should be equal to 1, so we need to set this expression equal to 1. We want to subtract 2 from both sides, so we get Q mod 9 is equal to, it would be negative 1, but in mod 9 language, that is equal to 8, right? So here we have that Q is equal to 8.